Hello friends, today 26th April 2020 and we will discuss on Bitcoin, gold, US oil and Aussie dollar. Let's we start with the Bitcoin. It's a cryptocurrency. So you can see I have label here. So recently we have seen the low of 6762 to on the date of 21st April. So you can see here, yeah, this is the low and I have count here. This is the first wave up to the 6957. Then we have seen a correction. A correction is up to the, yeah, around 61.8 percentage. So I have labeled it as a second number 2. This is 2. Let me check the correction. Correction is very important things. See here, correction is like A, B and C. C have always 5 moves. A, B, C, it is a flat correction. You can give it as a 0, A, B and C. See here. Okay. So this pattern is 335. So I will label it as a flat correction. Three, 3 and 5. This is internal waves 335. C minor, A, B, C. It's meant 3. 1, 2, 3. This is 1, 2, 3. And this is how 1, 2, 3 is fast and motive moves. 3. This is 4th. And this one is 5th. So second wave is complete here. Then we have seen a motive wave, third impulse move. This is large move as expected. You can see it's very big. Third is completed over here. Triple 7,770. It's almost around how much? Let's check the Fibonacci. We don't have these numbers. Let add somehow 4.618. Okay, somehow near 461.8 percentage. It's a very big move. And then we have seen a correction. This is complex correction as expected, because this is the simple correction. So we are still going in complex correction. So if it is a 61.8 percentage, it's a deep correction, so it may shallow correction. Let's we confirm with the Fibonacci. Third move from here to here. First we delete previous one. Okay, so you can see exactly near 38.2%. This is the beauty of this Fibonacci and Elliott waves combination. One correction is simple, then another is complex. One is shallow, then another is deep. One is deep, then another is shallow correction. So you get idea that where we are and what will be the next waves. And now we will be in the fifth wave. So let's try to count the fifth wave. this is the cryptocurrency, so moves you cannot easily count because it's a very low volume on lower chart frame. So we try to predict that our third wave is completed over here. This is A, B, C. This is complex, so don't get confused. You have to start wave. This is like the first impulse wave of the fifth wave. So where will it will complete? Let's try to forecast. This is our first move, first wave, and if it is 100% is complete over here, 7711. So we have a 2-3 method of ending of fifth wave. First one is fifth wave is equivalent to the first wave. So if it is equivalent to first wave, then it will complete around 7711. Second method is it will be the 0 to 3, 38.2% or 61.8% of this entire 0 to third move. Then our target is, first target is this 7911. So let put here one mark, and next previous one was near 722. And this one is 7911. So let's label it 7911, 911 and 7700. Okay, now we find these two numbers. Now what we have to do is we have to count the waves, sub waves of the fifth wave. It may like this is 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 and fifth. Whatever the ratio, if we get this first wave, then we confirm with the Fibonacci extension of this third and fifth wave, as we have done in the large degree waves. So you will get idea where it will be complete around, and then then we will find the correction like A, B. At the B you have to get sell order. So this is the whole picture of the Bitcoin. It is nearly in the fifth wave, so it is not good to buy here. This is the time to waiting for the sell. So you will get the idea. Now we will see another chart, gold. In previous video we have discussed where we are. As we discussed, we are in a fourth wave correction, and most of the people lose money in the fourth wave, because the fourth wave is a complex correction. When you think you have find out the low, then immediately the price will jump. When you find out the top, then immediately price will go beyond your levels. So this is the very complexity in the fourth wave. Either you don't try to trade in this zone, or wait for the selling opportunity after ending of the fifth wave. See, we have done the levels like this, 1, 2, 3, and we are in a fourth wave. As we discussed, this is A, and the A, B, C of this internal B, and this one is C. This is the flat correction, A, B and C. So either here two things we have to note. This is third and this is complex fourth, or we have completed this fifth wave here. Fifth wave is failed because it is not go beyond the third wave. Or the second thing is we are in a correction of ABC. If this is ABC correction, then we will see one impulse move 1, then second 2, like this. We have done 1 near, hold near 1715, then next target 3, 4th, like this 5th. But if this is the failed fifth wave, then we will get another dip. So structure is not yet clear here. Then we will see like this. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we will see the level of 1680, and top side is the, so important level is here, this one 1710, or this is fourth. As we discussed, if we are in a bullish move, then we will not go below this level, as we discussed in the previous, 1705, this line 1705. If we go below the 1705, then we will see the next level 1680. So you have to watch this level 1705. So we will give one dip here around 1715. So you have to see here the price action 1715, and with the stop loss of 1705 you can buy, or it is better to wait, cross after dip, if cross this one level 1728, then you can buy. So gold is now at confused level. You can buy over here after the 1728, and don't try to judge at this level. Okay, and next we will see US oil. This is the 5-minute chart of oil. As the naked eye you can see, this is the started as a 1, 2, this hole is 3, we are in a 4th and around 5th, complete over here 1938 or 19 something near 1878 to 19, and then we will see a down moves like this. So you have to watch here at this level, near around this level, and we will see correction like ABC here. If you have given numbering like this 0, 1, 2, this entire is 3, this is 4 and 5, 5th is running, it may complete around here, or it may fail 5th wave, then we will see a down from here. Yes. So Aussie dollar, this is an interesting stage. on 15-minute chart. This is 15-minute chart. So for within 2 days, for the 2 days we are labeling. See, this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4th, and we are in a 5th wave. So let's check the first correction of the first wave. This is 61.8%. Okay, then Fibonacci extension of the first wave is around 123%. If third wave is below the 161%, then it's called a normal wave. So as per the Elliott wave analysis, these three waves, these three impulse wave 1, 3 and 5, 3 of the one wave is extended. It's mean above 161% or above the 161.8%. So this is normal wave. So we forecast this fifth wave is extended. So let's confirm where it will complete the fifth wave. Yeah, so fifth is complete around here. See, 161.8%, around 0.64070. Yeah, so watch this level and price action near this level. If we found any correction like this, 1, 2 and 3, so this is the selling opportunity with the stop loss of recent high. Whenever we see any extended wave, fifth wave, then it's a good opportunity to sell, because this correction is very deep. It will be around the fourth wave of the previous fifth wave. So we will get the result near this one. This is the result. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you like it all my videos, then you can share it, subscribe it and hit the bell icon for the next notification. Thank you guys.